Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY tutorial video on making natural hair products at home. Today I'll be showing you how I make my rice water with a little bit of twist in order to get the best out of it. And these are the items I'll be using: fenugreek seeds, essential oils, hibiscus petals, and of course some grams of rice. Fenugreek seed is high in protein, beneficial against hair fall, dandruff, and various scalp issues like dryness and irritations. So these are the two ways I make my rice water. One made out of rice and fenugreek seeds, which can be used as leave-in or as rinse out. I'm using this as my leave-in, applying it daily for a week and then wash it out on my wash day routine. The second one is made with rice, fenugreek seed, and dried hibiscus petals. I'll be using it as my pre-poo treatment. Spray it on your hair and let it sit for 30 minutes before shampoo. Hibiscus flower helps boost hair growth, rich in vitamin C and amino acids that nourish your hair and strengthen your roots. The composition of rice water is rich in vitamins, especially B and C. It's a rich treasure full of nutrients that nourish the follicles and repair damaged cells. Both methods involve the addition of essential oils to mask the odor of the fermentation process. Peppermint oil can cause a tingly feeling when it increases circulation to the area it is applied to. This can help promote hair growth during the growing phase of the hair. If you want to improve both hair thickness and hair growth, rosemary oil is a great choice thanks to its ability to improve cellular generation. Then we have lavender oil. Lavender oil can speed up hair growth. It has properties that generate the growth of cells and reduce stress. It also has antibacterial properties, which can improve scalp health. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay safe out there. Bye.